This is a KX040-4. We just painted on it. We painted the body on the back. We painted the blue on it. It's got a 4-way hydraulic plate. All this is all original, the boom and all. And the cab and all that's original. We put a thumb on it. It's got a quick attach bucket on it. It's got your spooler valve on it. We've had this machine a little while and it had original paint. We just ran out of things to do, so they went ahead and cleaned it and touched it up. We put new tracks on it. The bottom of the seat's got some tears in it. It looks very nice now. Of course, we don't do too much painting like that, but on this one it was just faded so bad and all that I told my boy just to do whatever he wanted to on it. Show me what he could do or wanted to do. Okay, Jay, go ahead and I'm going to open this engine compartment up and go ahead and crank it up if you would. Tell me how many hours is showing on it too, Jay, when you turn the key.
409.
Okay, 4,009 hours. Okay, Jay, whenever.
Okay.